we have quadrilateral ABCD, and we're trying to prove that it's a rhombus. So the one property that's really important for a rhombus that's going to help us out here is the fact that all four sides should be congruent in a rhombus. So in order to show that this is in fact a rhombus, I'm going to find the length of all four sides. So let's think about Pythagorean theorem first. So I'm going to focus on segment AB. So I'm drawing in the vertical and horizontal distance here between A and B. So this is 2 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to show my work here because I always need to include numerical evidence. So I have 2 squared plus 9 squared equals c squared, which would give me 4 plus 81 equals c squared. 4 plus 81 is 85. So that means this length for AB is 85. And I can see that DC is also 9 by 2. So radical 85 is the length of AB and of CD. So I'm going to write that here. AB equals radical 85 and CD equals radical 85. All right, let's focus on the other pair of side lengths. All right, so AD and BC, opposite from each other, it appears that they will have the same horizontal and vertical distance. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 should be the same from B to C. Also 6 by 7. All right, so I'm going to show that work over here. 7 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. 7 squared is 49. 6 squared is 36. 49 plus 36 also gives me 85. So even though the vertical and horizontal distances that I used for Pythagorean theorem were different, right? 2 and 9, 7 and 6, once I actually go through the full process of finding those lengths, they all have a length of radical 85. So I'm going to add that additional numerical evidence here that AD equals radical 85 and BC also equals radical 85. So I now have all the numerical evidence that I need in order to prove that this is a rhombus. So let's write a complete sentence supporting that. Okay, so I like to start by restating what I'm told to prove. So I'm going to state ABCD is a rhombus because, and now I'm going to include the property of a rhombus that I'm using. So it's a rhombus because all sides are congruent. Now I need to provide my numerical evidence, what I determined up here, to further explain that the sides are congruent. So I'm going to say all four sides have the same length, radical 85.